To increase the ringtone volume for a specific contact, go to Modes and Routines, tap on this plus icon here, select this option, add what will trigger this routine, and from here I will look for incoming call and then select it. Select this option from specific callers and then select any phone number and then done. Select done, then select this option, add what this routine will do, and then I will search here sounds and vibration. Select sound mode and volume, and then I will increase this ringtone to 100% and then done. Save, and then I can give the name of the contact here, suppose A B C, tap outside and then done. Now the routine is set. If this contact will call me, then the ringtone will increase to 100% only for this contact.